Hi to all the wonderful people out there, welcome back to my channel. Monsoon comes with its own skincare struggles. It brings humidity, constant stickiness and dullness to the skin. So basically I changed my skincare products to more lighter, gel-based and matte-based formulations. In this video I have put together a few products that would help you out to survive during the monsoon season. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the Instagram handle somewhere on the screen. So without delays, let's get started. Excess humidity may lead to bacterial growth, which in turn makes the skin prone to any type of blackheads, whiteheads and acne. It is very important to clean the face with a very mild face wash. The first face wash that I would recommend is from Dermaco, their creamy face cleanser. This product has 1% salicylic acid. It is good for all skin type, but oily, acne-prone and sensitive skin people are likely to love this product. It is soap-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free and SLS-free. It does not strip the natural oils of the skin. This product gets rid of any type of bacterial growth, any type of dirt, grinds, oils from the skin. This is dermatologically tested and highly recommended. The next product is from Cetaphil, the Gentle Skin Cleanser. This product works very well on acne-prone, oily and sensitive skin type. It is dermatologically tested. It is a soap-free formulation, hence does not lathers that much on the skin. It has cetearyl alcohol and stearyl alcohol, which is an emollient and does not strip the natural oils of the skin. It is very soft and very gentle on the skin. It is a highly recommended product from the dermatologist and can be used during the monsoon season. The next product is from Jovi's, their Tea Tree Oil Control Face Wash. This product has tea tree oil, lemon extract and vitamin E. Tea tree oil has antibacterial properties. Lemon is a natural astringent, whereas vitamin E provides hydration to the skin. This product gets rid of any dirt and grinds from the pores of the skin. It is a very mild and gentle product. It is very important to exfoliate your face once in a week. But if it is a monsoon season, it becomes a necessity. Exfoliation clears your pores and whatever skincare products you use penetrates deep into your skin. So I would be recommending two exfoliators to you. The first is the chemical exfoliator and the second is the physical exfoliator. The chemical exfoliator that I would recommend you is from Pixi, their Glow Tonic. This product has 5% glycolic acid. Glycolic acid is a type of AHA, that is alpha hydroxy acid, that cleans the dead skin cells and clears the pores. This product can be used once or twice in a week. If you are new to any chemical exfoliation, I would suggest use this product once in a week. Once your skin gets used to this product, you can extend it to 2 or 3 times a week, but not more than that. The way to use this product is take some product on the cotton swab and apply it all over your face. Use this product at night. Avoid using vitamin C with this product. If you feel a tingling sensation, that is okay, but burning sensation is not right. So please check the product and apply it before you incorporate it in your skincare routine. The next product is a physical exfoliator. The one that I am talking about is from Biotique, their Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan Removal Scrub. This product has papaya, banana, neem, methi and other botanical extract. The granules are very soft on the skin. Let me show you the product from inside. It has very fine granules. It exfoliates the skin very well. It gets rid of any type of tan and dead skin cells from the skin. This product can be used during the monsoon season. I highly recommend this product. The next product is from L'Oreal Paris, their Pure Clay Mask with anti-blemish properties. This product has 3 types of clays. combined with marine algae extract. Let me show you the product from inside. This is how beautiful the product looks from inside. It has this blue colored creamy consistency. It is very soft on the skin. Gets rid of any type of dirt and grinds from the skin. This is on the higher side of the price range, but worth the price. This product has little fragrance, but I find the fragrance very pleasing. A very good product. Highly recommend this. The next product is a face pack from Banjaras, their Multani Mitti and Papaya face pack. Multani Mitti has always been known for its calming properties. Multani Mitti treats pigmentation, tanning and any type of acne. It is very soothing on skin and I highly recommend this product. In monsoon, it is very important not to leave the skin pores open, as it would result in the accumulation of dust in them that would lead to acne breakouts. So toning is very important. The toners that I would recommend is first from Avane, their thermal spring water. It reduces skin sensitivity and helps restore skin balance. It removes any type of itchiness and sensation from the skin. It provides calmness to the skin. This product is dermatologically tested and can be used for any skin problems by any skin type. The next toner is a green tea toner from the brand Good Vibes. It is an alcohol-free toner which is very hydrating and maintains the pH of the skin. It minimizes the pores. The green tea has antibacterial and astringent properties. This toner is good for all skin type, but oily and acne-prone skin people would love to use this one. The next product is a green tea toner from the brand Pure by Priyanka. The ingredients have aloe vera leaf extract, cucumber extract, tea tree extract, neem pulp and many more good ingredients to it. This product has 1.5 to 2% salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a type of BHA, that is beta hydroxy acid. So this toner has toning as well as exfoliating qualities. This toner is very refreshing on the face and maintains the pH of the skin. It is highly recommended to use this toner at night. Please avoid using vitamin C along with this toner. The next product is a moisturizer from Sebamed, their Clear Face Gel. It has a gel-based formula that is good for oily and acne-prone skin. It has propylene glycol, which is a humectant and maintains the moisture of the skin. It is a very light gel. Let me take some at the back of my hand and show it to you. It has this light gel-like consistency, and once applied on the skin, it gets absorbed on the skin very well and leaves this non-sticky feeling on the skin. The next product is from Pond's, their Super Light Gel. This product has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E in it. These two are very hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. As the name suggests, it is super light and has a gel-like consistency. Let me show you the product from inside. This is how the product looks from inside. It has this gel consistency which gets absorbed in the skin very fast. So it is very good during the monsoon season. The weather outside your windows are cloudy. That does not mean that the sun rays are not affecting your skin. It's just that you cannot see them, but it is definitely affecting the skin. So using a light sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in your skincare routine. The first sunscreen that I would recommend is from Rickwell, their Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel. This has SPF of 50 PA++++ protection. It has a ultra matte formation. I'll take some at the back of my hand and show it to you. This has this creamy consistency, but once applied on the skin, it melts beautifully on the skin. It gives this matte finish. It does not leave any white cast. This product is good for oily and acne prone skin. A very good sunscreen. You can actually reach out during the monsoon season. The last product in this video is a sunscreen from Innisfree, their Blueberry Rebalancing Watery Sunscreen. As the name suggests, it has a cream-based consistency, but once applied, it converts into water. It has a SPF of 45 PA+++ protection. Let me take some at the back of my hand and show it to you. It has this creamy consistency, but once applied, it converts into watery texture and melts beautifully on the skin. It is super light on the skin and could be used in the monsoon season. So I highly recommend this product. With that, it's a wrap. Hope this video was helpful. Do give it a thumbs up. See you in another video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.